Developing a conceptual framework is akin to crafting the blueprint for your research endeavor. It involves understanding and elucidating the theoretical underpinnings that guide your study. At its core, a conceptual framework provides a structure that helps researchers conceptualize their ideas, organize their thoughts, and articulate the relationships between various constructs or variables under investigation. One fundamental aspect of developing a conceptual framework is conducting a thorough review of existing literature. This involves identifying relevant theories, models, and empirical studies that inform your research topic. By synthesizing this existing knowledge, researchers can pinpoint gaps in the literature and develop hypotheses or research questions to address these gaps. Furthermore, a conceptual framework aids in framing the research problem and establishing the theoretical foundation upon which the study is built. It assists researchers in defining key concepts, variables, and relationships, thereby guiding the design of the research methodology and data analysis techniques. Ultimately, a well-developed conceptual framework serves as a roadmap for researchers, guiding them through the research process from conceptualization to interpretation of findings. It enhances the rigor and coherence of the study, enabling researchers to make meaningful contributions to their field of inquiry. In practical terms, the application of developing a conceptual framework can significantly enhance the quality and effectiveness of research endeavors across various disciplines. For instance, in the field of psychology, a researcher interested in studying the impact of social media on adolescent mental health would begin by developing a conceptual framework. This framework might draw upon theories such as social cognitive theory or the biopsychosocial model to conceptualize the factors influencing adolescent behavior and mental health outcomes. By understanding the theoretical underpinnings of these concepts, the researcher can formulate hypotheses and design studies that systematically investigate the relationships between social media usage, psychosocial variables, and mental health outcomes among adolescents. Similarly, in business and management research, developing a conceptual framework is crucial for understanding the theoretical foundations of organizational behavior, strategic management, or marketing phenomena. A researcher examining factors influencing consumer purchasing behavior, for instance, would rely on established theories such as the theory of planned behavior or the elaboration likelihood model to develop a conceptual framework. This framework would guide the selection of variables, the formulation of research questions, and the interpretation of findings, thereby enhancing the validity and relevance of the study's conclusions. Overall, the application of developing a conceptual framework provides researchers with a structured approach to understanding the theoretical underpinnings of their research, thereby facilitating the design, implementation, and interpretation of empirical studies across diverse fields of inquiry. Thanks for watching this video. For more such videos, stay tuned to our channel.